Find a relaxed stance with our feet shoulder width apart. We start with a gentle shaking. Imagine that the ankle and the knees are like loaded springs, and we give ourselves a light bounce. You can vary the directions of shaking, up and down, left and right, front and back. With this shaking, we loosen up the grip of the mind, and we bring our awareness to our whole body. Enjoy the shaking. Give yourself into it. As we are shaking, we are also activating the awareness of fascia, which connects our whole body, connecting all the tissues into a continuous whole. Shake different parts of the body. Gradually let the shake fade. Now we're going to move our awareness to our pelvis area. And imagine that there is a weight hanging at the tip of the tailbone. Or you can imagine as if there's a heavy tail hanging from the tailbone. Whatever image works for you. And now we're articulating the hip joints by moving this tail or this heavy object, pointing the tailbone towards the ground. We can imagine writing the letter of our names on the ground with the tail draping from the tailbone. When we exercise with an active imagination, we can allow the movements happen without efforting. Feel the range of your movement at a comfortable level. Our tailbone usually gets a lot of compression and stress with sustained sitting. This exercise loosens the accumulated stress. Now let's keep that awareness at the tailbone and bring a spiral energy generated by the tailbone, and imagine this energy is rising upward along the spine. Meanwhile, we are still rooting that tail, pointing it downwards. And our awareness is reaching both downward and upward, like a tree standing with roots embedded under the ground and with shoots reaching up towards the sky. It's almost like we're stretching out an antenna on the top of our head. And that antenna is connecting to a guiding star in the sky. Meanwhile, we also keep grounded through our leg and imagine that awareness extending underneath our feet, deep into the earth. Our body feels relaxed and poised. This is called the Wuji stance. Wuji stands for the womb that contains all potentials. Keeping this imagery alive, now we are ready to do the tree and waterfall practice. With gentleness, we lower the center of gravity. Our awareness is reaching down to the very tip of our roots. And from there, we connect with the primordial energy that arises from the deep heart of the earth, which supports our awareness to extend all the way to the highest point in the sky, connecting with our guiding star. And from there, we invite the starlight to pour into our body. And slowly this energy showers down through the interstitial between our tissues, bones, vessels, nourishing and healing. And this energy will flow all the way through our legs, through our feet, all the way back towards the earth to nourish the roots. And then we come back to the Wuji stance and we rest here for a few breaths. In Wuji stance, we continue to feel alignment of the tailbone, the spiraling energy upwards. And now we start the second round. Gentle inhale and gentle release while exhaling. We lower our awareness, and then from there, we tap into the earth's energy that infuses our body like a tree. And then we receive sunlight, receive the starlight into our body, like a waterfall. We allow this energy to replenish and regenerate, and also sending this energy back into the ground to replenish the earth. And again, we come back to the Wuji stance. And we rest and attune. And for the third round, we welcome you to start in your own timing, to feel your own beginning and your rhythm and your ending. Pay attention to listen to the energy below and above. And pay attention to when you are called to reverse the directionality. And we return to Wuji stance one more time.